a walk on the beach meditation.
Before we get started, I just want to thank you so much for watching. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more tips and tools to become your best self. Let's begin.
Find a comfortable position, either sitting upright or lying down. Get yourself settled and relax. Now, imagine that you are standing in a vast sea of white sands all around you, as far as the eye can see. Step into the white sand. It feels warm and soft under your feet. Just feel the sensations of the sand under your feet and in between your toes. Now, look up. All you see is more sand in front of you, but you can hear the ocean. Walk towards the sound of that ocean. As you're walking, you can feel the sun on your skin. Perhaps you can feel a light breeze as well. As you continue to walk on the sand and feel that sand between your toes, you notice the smell of the salty air. You pause for a minute and you look around. You see an ocean peek over the sand dune ahead. You continue walking towards the ocean now. You notice the sand begins to get firmer underneath your feet as you approach the ocean. As you approach the shore where the ocean meets the sand, you see little waves coming up and down, and up and down. As you watch the waves come and go, you see some things in the sand like shells, pieces of seaweed, and even your own footprints. You see a little piece of driftwood that's the perfect size for writing in the sand with. Pick up this driftwood and draw your name in the sand where it's moist. Now, slowly take the time to write out each letter of your name. Notice the sound that the driftwood makes as you scratch it through the sand. Very good. Now take a step back and just look at your name in the sand. As you see your beautiful name that's carried you through your whole life, you notice a little wave coming closer. This wave catches part of your name and washes it away as it goes back into the ocean. As you observe your name in the sand, another wave comes and washes away even more of your name. And then another comes and washes it away completely, until all you see is ripples in the sand where your name used to be. Now continue walking along the beach, noticing your surroundings. What kind of sounds do you hear? Can you hear seabirds flying over? Or do you hear the wind gently blowing past you? Can you feel the warmth from the sun on your skin? How does that sand feel under your feet again? Perhaps you can even catch a whiff of the ocean's salty aroma. Just continue walking on your beach and taking in your surroundings. What do you observe? As you continue your walk along the beach, you come upon a comfortable looking chair. As this chair comes into view, you suddenly realize you could use some rest. You approach the chair and you realize this chair is there just for you. This chair is perfectly made to fit your body type and provide healing and comfort whenever you use it. So go ahead and take a seat. Embrace the healing effects from the sun, the ocean, and this chair that was made just for you. Take a seat, get comfortable, and just observe the ocean ahead. Watch the horizon and how the ocean meets the sky. Watch the waves and how they seem endless. Feel the sensation of the ocean breeze on your cheeks. Listen for the sound of the birds as they soar over the horizon. Listen to the waves of the ocean and mirror your breath to match, aligning your spirit with nature. As you gaze along the big blue, you drift in and out of your thoughts while letting the healing ocean waves rejuvenate your soul. Let your worries and doubts wash away, just like your name washed away earlier by the waves. Release any energy that doesn't serve you and commit to making yourself and your healing journey a priority today. You can remain in this peaceful, restful state for as long as you need, And when you're ready, open your eyes and return to your day. Thank you so much for watching.